All right, this is the start of the build on the 77 Buick Regal 350 Oldsmobile engine. I let the shop do everything to the block, hone it out, cam bearings, hot tank. They did all that. So for right now, I'm about to put it on this engine hoist. And let's get started. All right, I got to line that up with the engine hoist. I put a little grease in here so it can turn around. So yeah, let me line that up. Alrighty, I got it lined up. Later on, I'm gonna set up my tripod. Yeah, they did a good job on this, cleaning this block and honing it. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm about to blow it out, but I am checking my cam bearings. Make sure that all the oil gallery, the hose is in the right position. These right here are the oil gallery. I use a tool like this, and I go down inside and fill the hole, because the hole goes through here all the way to the cam bearing. That's how the cam get oiled up. And I take a tool like this, and each position is right here. So I fill that hole and check with this. And I already checked 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5. And they are in the right position. Look at that hole. They did a good job. And I'm about to blow it out and install my crankshaft. And I check my main caps. 1, they all numbered. 2, 3, 4, and we know this one where the oil pump goes. And then as you can see right here, the lock containers, but the bearings always on the same side. So this is up. I make sure I get clean rags. I recycle my old shirts. I save them. I know this don't have oil, green, grit. Uh, you don't want none of that in your motor. So I save these and I clean it real good. All right, I have my crankshaft. Got my bearings in. Crank is cut 10-10. All right, I got all my piston rings off. But I got to get my special tool to clean all that crud in there, each groove. 1, 2, 3. See all that crud? Got a special tool. I got to go get that. It's kind of hard to remember everything when you got to bring your tools to the location. And I got my crankshaft in, and I got it torqued.